How to allow unknown callers on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down to the end and tap on Apps. You can view all your phone apps over here. Now, search for or scroll down to find Phone and tap on it. You are now in the Phone Settings page. Within the Phone Settings, you can manage features like call blocking, call forwarding, and voicemail options. You can also customize your outgoing call settings. On this page, scroll down and go to Silence Unknown Callers. This means that calls from unknown numbers will be silenced, sent to voicemail, and displayed on the Recents list. If you want to allow calls from unknown numbers, then turn off this option at the top. Following these steps, you can easily allow unknown callers on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.